गोंयांतले टॅक्सीकार गोवा मायल्सा कडेन नोंदणी करना म्हूण गोंय सरकारान पर्यटन खात्या कडल्यान नवीन येवजण चालीक लावपाचो प्रयत्न चलयल्यात. गोंयांतल्या तरणाट्यांक जांकां कोणाक टॅक्सीचो धंदो करपाची इच्छा आसा तांकां गोंय पर्यटन महामंडळा कडल्यान रीण दिवपाची येवजण सरकार चालीक लायतले, अशी माहिती गोंय महामंडळाचो अध्यक्ष दयानंद सोपटेन आपल्या कार्यालयांतल्यान घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत जाहीर केला.
One scheme is under consideration. We have already discussed, our Honorable Chief Minister discussed the benefits by which we are going to give through government by way of subsidies. Even those my brothers are unemployed, for them there is very good scheme we have framed to give them financial assistance to purchase any vehicle with subsidized rate. Not only that, even some subsidies on insurance payment, even on health. Not only the driver or owner, but even for their family. Scholarship even. Because many things are there. Aim to do all such things is to create, to increase and to save name of Goa, to increase the tourism industry in Goa, to give better service to our tourists and to increase whole thing which related tourism industry in Goa. ना EDC आसा पळय, EDC ज्या पद्दतीन आज सुद्धा फायनान्स करता पळय, लोन दिता तशेंच रावतले. इन एडिशन टू दॅट हे जे कितें सबसिडी ऑन इन्शुरन्स, स्कॉलरशीप हे कितें कितें आसा पळय ताचेर थ्रू EDC GTDC दितले. पळय एक समज एकाच ओनराचे 5 गाडयो आसात, त्या ओनराक एकदांच मेळटले ते, एकट्याकच मेळटले. हे पळय ही सर्वीस जी आमी हे करतात जस्ट टू एट्रॅक्ट द Goa Miles, which gives good and better service to our tourists. Join जावचेच पडटले ना मेळपाना.
What is the reason in the last few days that there has been no conclusion or no issue? This issue has not been resolved between your and the local taxi owners. अजून issue तो
ना आज सुद्धा सकाळी माझ्या घरान माझे जे लोकल आसात इन फ्रॉम माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी मांद्रेम कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी जे लिडर म्हणून आमचे आसात तांकां आपयले, मिटींग घेतली, कन्विन्स केले. ऑलमोस्ट 90% ते कन्विन्स्ड. हय नाही ऑल ओवर गोवा पळयलें न्ही, सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. तुका खबर आहा, म्हाका खबर आहा, पण खंय तरी एक इशू तयार करपाक जाय विथ इंटेन्शन. हाचे खातीर ते कितें करप जाल्यार पळय हांवें नांवां घेतात, पॉलिटिशन नांव घेवपाचें करना. तुमकां खबर आहात माझ्या मांद्र्यान वचून सुद्दां मिटींग मडगांव सावथांतल्या वचून मांद्र्यान घेतात, पण तांकां खबर आहा ही जी सर्वीस जी आसा ही सर्वीस बरी आहा. कळ्ळें न्ही. आतां पळय ह्या फाटल्या 2-4 दिसांनी काही इन्सिडंट घडले जे घडोवंक जायना, वीच इफेक्ट अवर टुरिजम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल काल एक एग्जाम्पल आमचो एक बऱ्यापैकी हॉटेलियर सांगतालो, पयर मिटींग आसली आमची तेन्ना, जे जस्ट फॉर 3.5 किलोमीटर one of our brother from Goa itself, he is charging 1,800 rupees. Definitely तो जो टुरिस्ट आहा ही मॅसेज घेवन भायर वतलो, स्प्रेड अप जातले, डेफिनेटली ताचो इफेक्ट आमचेर जातलो. पळय एक एक्सिडंट जालो, डेफिनेटली खंय तरी ते ड्रंकर्ड आसले, कितें 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 आसलें, ताच्या रागान खंय तरी अदर दॅन गोवा रजिस्टर गाडी जर आडायली, फोडली, कितें बेनिफीट मेळटलें आमकां. ह्यो गोश्टी खंय तरी कंट्रोलान येवपाक जाय, खंय तरी डिसिप्लीन आसपाक जाय.
गोंयांतल्या टॅक्सीकारांचेर सरकाराक अन्याय करपाचो ना, त्या खातीर टॅक्सीकारांनी विरोध कुशीक दवरून गोवा मायल्सा कडेन नोंदणी करची, अशी मागणी पत्रकार परिशदेंतल्यान सोपटेन टॅक्सीकारां कडेन केल्या.
आय एम जस्ट रिक्वेस्टिंग देम, वॉट एवर थिंग्स आर देर इन युअर माइंड, जस्ट लिव्ह इट. For trial basis, you join this Goa Miles. At least for one month, you take the experience. See what is the benefit is there. What is the benefit to a driver? What is the benefit to our owner? which helps not only the driver and owner of that particular car, but it helps in greatly to increase tourism industry in Goa. If we try to satisfy our tourists, definitely this link not only with the tourist, taxi business, but it link with whole circle like hoteliers, restaurant, shack owner, everyone. That's why I'm just repeating and appealing, just requesting my all brothers who are in this business to help us to promote tourist industries. Simultaneously, one or two those by which their bad act, they are spoiling the name of Goa, because of which many tourists, they are afraid to come to Goa. And that's why it is very, very needful, necessary to adopt this type of service each and every corner of Goa, and each and every my brothers who are doing a link with this business of taxi.
App, whereas the government doesn't want to support private taxi operators. So why do you feel like what is your say?
The statement of what they made by our local people, local taxi owner, I think is totally wrong. We are supporting our people. We are supporting our government to increase their business, simultaneously to increase business of our all linked with the tourism.